Good morning, student. Today we will discuss power of lens and few questions. Power of lens is measured in meters. Power equal to 1 upon f. Actually, the power is the ability of a lens to diverge the ray or to converge the ray. For example, a convex lens of short focal length bends the light ray through large angle. Now suppose the very thick lens. Now the ray will come, so it will bend very close. Very close. So that is the meaning. A convex lens of short focal length bends the light ray through large angle. And if the lens is thin, so the ray will bend, but it will get focused at the long distance. This is for convex lens. Similarly, concave lens of short focal length causes high divergence. Now suppose the concave lens is like this. Now we have concave lens, so the principal axis, if the ray is coming here, it will diverge. But if the concave lens is thin, then the divergence will be very less. So the degree of divergence, that is, this is how much it is moving, and here the degree of convergence. If lens is thick, the ray will get focused very close. So here converging lens, here diverging lens, the degree of convergence or divergence of light ray achieved by the lens, by its power, that is power. So the power of lens is defined as power P equal to 1 upon f. If focal length is more, power will be less. And the focal length is measured in meter. Here the focal length is measured in meter. Power is represented with letter P. So P equal to 1 by f. That is power. Then the SI unit of power is diopter, and it is denoted by letter D. Generally, power focal length, when we take focal length in power, it is in meter. So power P equal to 1 upon f, and f in meter, so it is equal to diopter. So what is the diopter? 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Because here 1, and if you are writing here 1, power equal to 1 upon f. F in meter. You can write in centimeter also. But when you will write in centimeter, it will be 100 upon f. 1 diopter is the unit of power. Now when we say power equal to 1 upon f, so if the sign of f is plus, power will be plus. If the sign of f is negative, power will be negative. So the convex lens has focal length positive, therefore its power will be positive. Concave lens has power focal length negative, so its power will be negative. Suppose if a person is wearing a spect of 2 diopter, plus 2d. Now plus 2d means the power is plus, so it will be definitely the person is using a convex lens, and the focal length will be 0.50. You can calculate that. How this 0.50 comes? See, power equal to 1 by f in meter. So what is the power? 2d. So we will write f, it is equal to 1 by p. Now you can write this 2 here, so it will become 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2, it will be 0.5. Similarly, if the power of lens is minus 2.5, so when minus 2.5, that means it will be concave lens, and we will write here minus 2.5, so it will become 40, and the lens will be concave. So what we can say, power is power of an optical lens. It is the ability of convergence or divergence. Then second thing, that power equal to 1 by p, where or power equal to 1 by f, and f in meter. Focal length, power totally depends upon focal length. If focal length is more, power will be less. Now see, many optical instruments consist of a number of lenses. If we have two lenses having power P1, P2, so the net power will be P1 plus P2. If we have three lenses, so the power will be P1 plus P2 plus P3. Optician uses this different types of lenses. What he take? Optician, he put the different types of lenses in our eyes to see the object. During eye testing, an optician puts several different combination of corrective lenses of known power in contact inside the testing spectacle frame. So when he put, suppose if he is putting one diopter, then he put 0.25 diopter. So the total power will be 1.25 diopter. For example, a combination of two lenses, 2 diopter and 0.25. So the total will be plus 2.25 diopter. The simple additive property of power of lenses can be used to design lens system to minimize certain defects in image produced by single lens. Such lens system consisting of several lenses in contact is commonly used in the design of camera, objectives of microscope and telescope. This is an additional information that different types of combination we use in microscope, in telescope, as well as in camera, spectacles of different. But what we have to keep in mind, that power equal to 1 upon f. Power will be positive if focal length is positive. Power will be negative if focal length is negative. For example, suppose a concave lens of focal length 25 centimeter. What is the power? Focal length is concave lens, so first of all concave. Now concave lens, that means it will be minus 25. So we can convert it into meter. That will be minus 25 by 100. So it becomes minus 1.4 meter. When it becomes minus 1.4 meter, power equal to 1 by focal length. So 1 divided by minus 1 by 4. So it will become 4D. The unit of power is diopter. So minus 4D. Now this is question. Define one diopter of a power of a lens. So what is one diopter? The ability of lens to converge or diverge the ray of light after refraction is called power of the lens. It is defined as the reciprocal of focal length, P equal to 1 by f. The SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. A lens of focal length 100 cm has a power of 1 diopter. If the focal length is 100 cm or 1 meter, then power will be 1 diopter. 1 diopter equal to, this also you keep in mind, 1 diopter equal to 1 meter minus 1. Then this question we are doing now. A convex lens form a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance 50 cm from it. Where is the needle placed in front of convex lens if image is equal to size of object? Now in convex lens, image is equal to object length. That means V and U or both will be equal, and object is placed at 2f1. If you see the ray diagram now, so when object is placed at 2f1, image will be at 2f1. Now what is the object is placed at a distance of 50 cm. So image will be 50 cm. So V equal to 2f, f equal to V by 2, 50 by 2, that is 25 cm. Now 25 cm or 0.25 meter. So power equal to 1 by f. So this f will be 0.25. When you will solve, you will get plus 4 diopter. Then again one more question is here. Find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Now if focal length is 2 meter, can you solve this question? Power equal to 1 by f, f in meter. So here it is already given in 2 meter. If it is not given in meter, if it is given in centimeter like this, so you can convert it into meter. So find the focal length of a concave lens of focal, find the focal length, find the power. Find the power. Here it is power. Find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 meter. So focal length f equal to minus 2 meter. So it is 200 cm. So power equal to 100 upon minus 200 minus 5d. Then these are the NCERT questions. Which of the following material cannot be used to make lens? Water, glass, plastic, clay. So definitely we cannot use clay. The explanation is written here. Which of the following material cannot be used to make lens? Clay. It cannot allow the light to pass through it, while the other materials allow light to pass through it. Then this second question, the image formed by concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than object. Where should be the position of the object? Concave mirror is observed to be virtual image. If it is virtual image, so only one case in which the image is virtual, and that will be between pole and focus. So here the answer will be D. The image formed by concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than object when object is placed between pole and the principal focus. Now third question. Where should an object be placed in front of convex lens to get a real image of same size? Now it is same size convex lens, so definitely it is at 2f. So when object is placed at 2f1, in front of convex lens, the image is formed at 2f2 on the other side. So real inverted and same size image is formed. So these three multiple choice question. Now this is fourth question. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens each have focal length of minus 15 centimeter. The mirror and lens are likely to be. Now here both are 15. Lens also 15, mirror also 15, and that too minus 15. So if both are minus 15, so both will be concave lens. Mirror will be concave lens and mirror will be concave mirror and lens will be concave lens. By sign convention, the negative sign of focal length indicates that it is the focal length of concave mirror as well as concave lens. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. Erect image will form only when your mirror is plane mirror or convex mirror. So in this case, you can put right here. Then the sixth question. Which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters? So to read small letter, first of all, to read small letter we will use convex lens. And if convex lens of smaller focal length, because power will be what? So convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter, because power equal to 1 by f. So when we use a convex lens of less power, then less focal length, then power will be more. So convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. For reading small letters, we need a lens which form a virtual, erect and magnified image. This condition is fulfilled by convex lens only. So you have to solve this much thing. These 6 questions we have discussed. All are very simple questions. Now you write all these 6 questions in your notebook. In next period we will discuss few more questions. Here one more question, I think, this much only. So these 4 questions you try to solve. Very simple, related to power. Thank you.